Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stefan from Paint Boss on YouTube, Platinum Putures. This is our new addition to the family. Today we're shooting an 8,000 square foot house, and this is our new beauty. Gas powered and electric motor. See how nice that thing is just humming along. That's our new addition to the family. Look at that piston just slowly working. Alright, so we've gone through about 100 gallons already. Today we're shooting Sherscrub Eggshell. This is our bin, so we don't have to fill it up every minute. We like running those so you don't have to have somebody just tending to that sprayer all the time because we go through it so quickly. Alright, we'll do a quick little walkthrough. Crew is all sanding and cleaning. Everybody's in there working. Sanding walls. And here we are. So we got the extension pole working right now because we have about 11-foot ceilings in this house. You can see Alex is blowing it on there. We do all of our corner joints first, so those all get an extra coat in them between the seam of the wall and the ceiling. One's all extra white. Look at that, just flow like butter. Alex, hey people, 621? 821? Yeah. Woo! Did you hear that? Pulling an 821 tip. Nice 16-inch fan on that bad boy. That one's for you, Mickey, an 821. You'll like that one. You can see we got all of our Windows mask and our 3M masking film. Everything's nice and tight. Shot the trim yesterday. And today we're into walls and ceilings. And this is a really big sized room in here. We always do our ceilings first and drag it down the wall a little bit so we can get out of that extension one. But think of all the up and down we're saving by that extension pole. And like I said, I believe it's an 11-foot lid in this house. Nice and easy. 821. So we're pushing a lot of paint. But it's going to be the way we can paint this. This is about a 16-foot by 15 or 14-foot room. Beautiful. Extra white. Nice and clean. For all you sprayers out there, you guys can hear how effortless that sound is coming out of the tip like that. Just laying it out. So when you're in new construction, once you guys get your ceiling shot, remember before you shoot that ceiling, you want to go and you want to shoot the seam in between all that. That's where the sheetrocker will have its texture a little heavy because they can't get their sanders in there. So we go around the room twice basically and set that seam. Once we walk around the room twice, we'll bring it down about 1.5 feet on the wall. Beautiful, nice and even cut. See it off the glare. Now he's going to start in on that line that he left up top. And now that ring around the room will get hit about 3 to 4 times. down the room. We usually go until we can reach the gun without the extension one. You just have a lot more control. Same thing, just keeping it in the wall, in between the windows. We're trying to get to about head high. You know, you want to do this as quick and as efficiently as possible, so you only want to take your gun off the extension wand once. So he's going to work his way down, and then we'll continue it from there. We like that. And a lot of times we'll do the blend line vertically. So we're going horizontal down to about head high. So when we take the gun off of the extension one and gets it in his hand, we can just stand and finish out the room without the extension one in our hand. You can see, man, we're, 4 minutes into this thing. This is a big room. It's getting done quick like. I'm trying to protect my lens over here because it's getting really dusty. So if you see my hand up at the top, don't mind it. There we go. Alright, so quick and easy, just took that gun off that high pole. Now the rest of the wall. And now he's coming vertically down that wall so he can lay it off into the part he's sprayed already. Right there. Look at that. Big old 16, 20-inch blade of paint coming out. Happy when it's a spray day. So I just want to let you guys know that's kind of how we attack. We just go room by room, right? So we're sanding the walls, sanding the ceiling, preppers come by, mop the walls, get them clean, sweep up the edges. You notice here, we have our pile of stuff in the middle, but we shot back about 4 to 6 feet away from the wall. So the preppers come in right before he comes, and we shot back to about that line. You kind of see see it. We're a little dusty now. But all of this from the wall seam to about 4 feet back is all shot back. You can see how it's all clean against the wall. And that helps us not get any dust or blowouts up against the wall. You can see how you can kind of follow our traffic pattern of navigation. All of that stuff is swept. And most of the time we pick that up, but it's so heavy in the middle in here once you start spraying. As long as you have your corners. Corners are most dangerous spot because when you come down this wall, you're going to blow out dust on that wall and vice versa. When you're coming down this wall, you're going to blow everything on that wall. So you have to make sure your corners are very clean underneath that sheetrock. Alright, now we're rounding the finish line here. And this is definitely not your average size room. This is a library or rec room, I can't remember. There's a nice shot. Nice and easy. Also, for all you guys out there, remember, if you get the outlets right there, you have to dust those or vacuum those out, because that's another thing where all of your dirt is going to come flying out. Your sheetrock dust, all the debris, a lot of insulation is in there. So if you want to do this stuff right, make sure you have a nice clean product. Make sure you shot back those out of there, or at least dust them out. Other guys shove them in with paper. That works just as good. Just whatever you guys are used to. Back in my day in Cali, we just stuffed them all with paper and called it good. But while we got all the preppers here, they just go through and shot back out all those areas. Alrighty. See how nice and shiny these walls are on the last little spot. You see those ceilings are looking mighty fine. Nice and even. Everything's looking really good in here. Got a nice even line. I always like telling my guys too, you always judge how you're laying on the paint with your overspray line. A lot of guys know that trick. You kind of tell where you're going. We always try to shoot to have it as little of a line as possible, but consistent. That shows me that we're spraying consistently down each wall. See that? Nice, consistent ring around the collar. Okay, everybody, well, it looks like Alex has got this one under control. You can see about 10 minutes to shoot this room, and it's a rather large one. So thanks for joining us. Leave a comment and a like below. Let us know what you guys think and what you want us to do a video of next. I think coming up, we'll get some of the woodwork in here. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next one.